Hey everyone, Charles here with My City's Home Solution. Going to talk about why choose a home buying company. So when it comes to selling a home, some homeowners find themselves facing challenges that can make the traditional real estate process feel daunting and overwhelming. And that's because life can throw unexpected curveballs, personal struggles, financial difficulties, or just you got to relocate quickly, right? And these circumstances can complicate the home selling journey. And for those who need to sell swiftly and avoid costly repairs or navigate through personal or financial hardships, right? Home buying companies can offer a reassuring alternative. These types of companies, right, they specialize in providing a streamlined process designed to bring convenience, speed, and certainty to a usual uncertain or stressful situation. And I just want to talk about some of the main reasons why choosing a home buying company could be the right solution for you, right? So first is fast and reliable. Home buying companies can cut through the red tape, allowing homeowners to bypass the lengthy listing, showing, negotiation stages of selling a home. Second reason is buying houses as is. Home buying companies offer a breath of fresh air by purchasing the homes as is or in their as is condition. That means you don't need to make any repairs or improvements, regardless of whether you need your home might need minor or major updates. It also means you can just leave anything behind. Another reason, helping homeowners in financial distress. So home buying companies can provide lifelines by offering quick cash sales to help the homeowners pay off debts and further any other financial strains. Another good reason is avoiding foreclosures, right? Home buying companies can offer a critical solution to homeowners in that kind of situation by providing fast offers, enabling you to sell your home before the foreclosure process is completed, helping you avoid devastating financial and personal consequences associated with a foreclosure. Fifth is flexibility in closing and moving timelines. Home buying companies frequently allow sellers to set their own closing date, giving you the freedom to move when it's convenient for you. Six is navigating personal hardships. Home buying companies offer a compassionate alternative by simplifying the sales process and eliminating the need for open houses, repairs, prolonged negotiations, and allows homeowners to sell quickly and with minimal hassle. So when you're considering a home buying company, it's crucial to choose one with a proven track record of helping homeowners through difficult situations of many different types, right? And so that's where My City's Home Solution can stand out as that home buying company for you. We're a flagship off-market home buying company in Tennessee. We're renowned for our compassionate approach and flexibility tailored to each seller's unique needs. That's what separates us. We prioritize understanding the personal financial challenges that homeowners face, and we take a very people-first approach, listing concerns and offering solutions that truly work for you, not just for us. And that's where our mission is, to help homeowners move forward with confidence, whether you're grappling with a financial distress, facing a foreclosure, navigating personal hardships, or just really want speed and convenience. That's where our team of experienced professionals and home buying specialists, we ensure that every transaction is handled with care, transparency is big time, and a commitment to your well-being. And as a better known and locally respected company, we're deeply rooted in the Tennessee community, and our reputation for honesty and reliability speaks for itself. And that's where we want to help you sell your home with ease, no matter the challenges that you're facing. With that said, who is a home buying company not for, right? So while home buying companies like us offer many advantages, we're not the right fit for everyone. And it's essential to understand that home buying companies provide solutions primarily for homeowners who do need to sell quickly, prioritize convenience and speed, or want to avoid repairs or navigate personal financial hardships. However, if your primary goal is to bypass the realtor process while expecting to receive a full market value or retail price for your property, then we're not the best option for you. Home buying companies, we're designed to offer a fast, hassle-free alternative to the traditional real estate sale. But this convenience does come with some trade-offs. We typically purchase properties at a discount relative to the full retail value. We go off of the as-is value and take into account the repairs. And it reflects the risk we assume by buying the home as is, without any contingencies, handling the repairs, updates ourselves and everything. So in exchange for the speed and simplicity, homeowners can expect a fair offer that accounts for the current condition of the property and prevailing market conditions, but not necessarily the highest price. If you're simply looking to avoid working with a real estate agent or think you'll receive the same price that a retail buyer might offer through traditional listing, then we're just not going to be able to meet that expectation. But with all that said, we do find ourselves as a good fit for everyone, and we love working with the people and just being a solution. That's our permanent goal, just be a solution to help others and positively impact our local community here every day. So if you enjoyed this, if any of this resonates with you, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can give us a call at 615-933-5431, or you can go to our website at mytennesseehomesolution.com. Check us out, read some more about us, and then submit your information to find out more. Take care.
It's been a joy to work with this company because everybody I have met has been very confident about what they were doing. They explained anything and everything. They answered any question I had. And I have had a joy and a pleasure talking with everyone I've encountered. And I feel like you can trust this company.
Felt good about it from the very beginning. We felt good throughout the whole process. Again, everybody that we had contact with was very professional. The communication line was always there. My wife was never in a situation where she was having to try to wonder or say, well, what's going on here?
One of the things that kind of led me to explore further was your 5-star rating and your A+ Better Business Bureau rating, and then just the testimonials and reviews from your clients. So it looked to me like you were a really good, trustworthy and transparent kind of business, and that's what we were looking for. So from the time we reached out, we had a deal by the end of the day, which was that's what I was looking for because we needed to be out of there.
Working with you guys is the best thing we've ever done because you're honest, straightforward. You don't BS anybody. You just tell it like it is, and we appreciate that. We sold you the house. We're on our way to the Gulf Coast and the sun and sand.
I think that's what makes it the best is you all made it easy. You walked me through every day, explained everything. And I was like, hey, I need you to call, talk to my brother, explain it to him. They were like, cool, got it. So that was the best thing, I think, was just the level of just customer service. Just that feeling is just amazing.
You'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.